Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce home renovation time with Angie's List, complete guide step by step clearly. Are you ready to cut down on your home renovation time? Follow these simple steps using Angie's List to streamline your project. First, create an account on Angie's List if you haven't already. This will give you access to a wealth of resources and professionals. Next, define your renovation goals clearly. Know exactly what you want to achieve in your project. Research similar projects on Angie's List for inspiration. Look for photos and reviews from other homeowners. Once you have a clear idea, start searching for contractors. Use the search feature to find local professionals based on your needs. Read reviews and ratings to ensure you're picking the right person for the job. Contact multiple contractors for quotes. This will help you compare costs and timelines effectively. Ask questions during the initial meetings. Inquire about their experience, project timelines, and availability. Share your ideas and ask for their suggestions. Check each contractor's credentials and licenses. You want someone who is certified and insured for peace of mind. Once you choose a contractor, schedule a detailed meeting. Go over the timeline together and set realistic expectations. Keep the lines of communication open throughout the project. Regular updates can help you stay informed about progress. Utilize Angie's List for any concerns that arise during the renovation. You can quickly find support or additional services if needed. As your project progresses, stay organized. Track everything from payments to timelines in a dedicated file. Once the renovation is completed, review the work thoroughly. Inspect each area to ensure it meets your expectations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.